Let's fucking go.
See all the way from DC, baby.
From up top. Woo. Hey, hey.
Let's go, Buffs.
Shoulder to shoulder, we will fight, 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 fight. Fuck, 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 gotta see you. Woo!
Nothing more needs to be said.
It's time.
Once again, 90 minutes before kickoff, me, Alyssa, Jake, we're headed over to Folsom Field. Tailgate, awesome. So many people, breakfast burritos, and I think it's a gorgeous day.
Beautiful.
Beautiful day to just annihilate the Huskers.
Thank you.
We're gonna see this red leading by halftime. Let's go!
So you never go it alone. That's our
Flashlight comparison presented on your wall. Student Affairs, Dr. Deandra Hall.
The University of Colorado alma mater, conducted by CU Marching Band Director Dr. Matthew Dockendorf.
Were you guys able to really buy into this rivalry, and what did it feel like out there?
It was extremely personal. We go out there, warm up. You got the head coach for the other team trying to stand in the middle of the buff. Like, it's okay if like a couple players do it, it's fine, you know. Like, just enjoy the scenery. But when you got the whole team trying to disrespect it, and I'm not going for that at all. So I went in there and disrupted it. So they knew off rip, like, nah, the Buffaloes mean a lot to me. And personally, that's what I was saying pregame, and that's when I knew it was just extreme disrespect. And that's why it was the coach said a lot of things about my pops, about the program, but now that he want to act nice, I don't respect that, because you hating on another man, you shouldn't do that. So it was just all respect was gone for them and their program. Now I like playing against their DC, I like playing against them, but the respect level it ain't there because you disrespected us first.
How's everyone? Oh my God. We must be winning. We didn't just want to win, we wanted to dominate. In the first half, we weren't dominant. In the second half, we got it together and we began to dominate, but we wanted to really impose our will, because the whole theme of the week was this person. One of the funniest moments in the during game after Shedeur took his helmet off after he made the tremendous scramble, like a Heisman type play. And I went over and said, you cannot do that. You cannot take your helmet off. He said, Dad, it's personal. And I just bent over and laughed my butt off, because it was in a moment and I was really upset. And he broke the monotony up with it's personal. So they really took it to heart, that whole theme of the week.
Nation, let's go.
Stop playing with these boys, man.
Oh, man. Yeah, another Saturday, another W.
Not just a W, a dominating W.
Well, that's what Coach Prime wanted, man. Coach Prime didn't want to win, he wanted to dominate them. And it happened.
Dude, it's a powerful thing when a coach goes up there and sets the expectation above winning. And I can't tell you what it means to me and Buff Nation to go out there and absolutely kick Nebraska's ass.
Man, I was over here.
We did it. Now we're gonna go eat.